Is she recording?
Yep. Controls.
Air controls.
Controls.
We're going to turn your brightness down on that puppy, on your iPad. Much better.
Nine Sierra Alpha, contact Orlando departure.
Over to departure, have a good night, 90 Sierra Alpha.
You too, thank you.
And your comm, you can just say, Orlando departure, good evening, 90 Sierra Alpha is with you, runway heading, climbing to 2, south.
Orlando departure, November 269 Sierra Alpha is with you. We just departed from Melbourne, and we are Melbourne.
Runway heading up to 2000, 90 Sierra Alpha.
Our contact, climb maintain 4000.
4000, 90 Sierra Alpha. We're not direct Melp, so. Air tow to run.
1327 Orlando, visual.
See what I'm saying?
27 right.
Yeah.
Region 1230, flight heading 120, vector to final. There 269 Sierra Alpha, turn left, direct to Melpso, then resume your navigation to Palm Beach.
That's direct Melpso and direct to Palm Beach after 9 Sierra Alpha.
Region 1230, descend and maintain 1600. Region 1327, descend and maintain 4000.
Delta 2435 out of 9,300, descending 6,000.
Delta 2435, Orlando, descend and maintain 5000.
Descend and maintain 5,000, Delta 2435.
Call and approach and answer, say again. Region 1327, thank you. Flight heading of 150, maintain visual separation with your company, stand by for lower. Number 269er, Sierra Alpha, connect Palm Beach approach, 123.62.
1through 9 Sierra Alpha, good night.
Region 1230, flight heading 185, report the field in sight.
314 at 5,000 feet with you.
Just say,
314
Palm Beach approach, Skylane is direct to Melpso, and climbing to 4,000.
300, and say first request. 3009, and like to do visual if possible, please. And wake up 314 to us, and the ultimate is 3006. C direct port cleared, center maintain 2000. 3006, direct to Fort Pier.
Give a second.
Palm Beach approach, November 269 Sierra Alpha with you. 3,100 for 4,000 direct Melpso.
And 269 Sierra Alpha, Palm Beach approach. Information echoes current at Palm Beach, Vero Beach altimeter 3006. Say approach request.
3006, we'll work on echo, and if Palm Beach isn't too busy, we'd like to do some touch and goes.
And 269 Sierra Alpha, what else do you climbing to?
We're climbing to 4,000 for 9 Sierra Alpha.
Rate 75 Charlie Foxtrot, center maintain 1,500, Fort Vero Beach site, 12 o'clock, 11 miles.
1,500, we got the airport side, 5 Charlie Foxtrot.
5 Charlie Foxtrot, so visual approach. Runway, actually, which runway did you want?
Oh, we were going to take a 1-2 for 5 Charlie Foxtrot.
5 Charlie Foxtrot, roger, clear visual approach runway 12 right, port cancellation IFR in air, command this frequency on the ground frequency.
Oh, we're just going to be a touching over there. Can we pick it up on the way back to page 5 Charlie Foxtrot?
Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. You had a through, is this a through clearance in your flight plan, or do you have another one depart from Vero Beach?
It was a through clearance for 5 Charlie Foxtrot.
Oh, 5 Charlie Foxtrot, roger, disregard that. And you cleared the visual approach runway 12 right. After completion of your practice approach, fly runway heading, maintain 2000, return to this frequency on the go.
All right, cleared for the visual approach 12 right on the go. We will do runway heading 2000 and back to you, 5 Charlie Foxtrot.
Charlie Foxtrot affirmative and change advisory to the approved.
All right, over advisory, talk to you in a bit, 5 Charlie Foxtrot.
I mean, we're still a bit far out and low, but still.
Number 2690 Alpha, proceed direct Ribby, Preston, direct Jamal for the RNAV Yankee runway 14. I'll let you, actually, which runway do you want? The winds are 1903.
Whatever, we can do 14. We can get set up for the RNAV 14 for at Palm Beach for Skyline 90 Alpha.
90 Alpha, roger, direct Jamal, join the final approach course, RNAV Yankee runway 14.
Direct Jamal, and we'll join the final approach course for 14 at Palm Beach 90 Alpha.
Doing on here.
Right here. I just want to do it quick.
Here's so they're going to have us climb more.
No. It won't. Alright, so we're direct Jamal. We got 70 miles to go till Jamal. We got a ground speed of 117 knots. Be there in about 30 minutes. So we still have the weather in comm number 2. Whenever that comes up, we'll get it and inform him. Excuse me? Yep, good job leading it out. And we got plenty of time. But we can brief the approach, right? We're going to a busy airport. Make sure we do everything right, not mess up.
On Tango, swap 0265, state type aircraft. Tango ready contact, position reported. Information echoes turn at Palm Beach, altimeter is 3008.
Okay, so I think briefing this is the same as the FAA ones.
Yep, same exact one. Oh, first time using Jefferson chart, eh?
Yeah.
Same thing. Start at the top left, work your way to the right.
Okay, so for Palm Beach International, West Palm Beach, Florida, RNAV GPS Yankee for 14.
665
charts are within dates.
Palm Beach, maintain IFR at 1,500.
This is 12375.
Check runway 10 right.
Palm Beach approach is 128.3.
Palm Beach Airport, welcome to 09. We'd like to continue inbound.
65 Romeo Tango, contact approach 128.3.
And Palm Beach RB 119.1 and go 121.9.
Gonna put tower in comm 1.
Who else called?
Welcome to
Tower in comm 1.
Continue inbound.
Yep. I get 309, right to practice approach approved. No separation services will be provided. Maintain VFR.
And can I get cabin power vote, please?
Cabin power is on.
Thank you.
Approach course is 141. Maybe we're at 1500, and our DA is 269.
Advising you of the weather.
Approach on 2000 direct Payboy and on track 205 to launch and hold. Notes don't apply. For Jamal, we're at 3,000. After Jamal, we descend down to 1,500. And Ribby is our final approach fix. And our LPB is 269.
What's our final approach fix?
Ribby.
Let you look again.
Which type aircraft?
What chart am I on? Oh, I'm on the Zulu.
Yeah, he told us Yankee.
Palm Beach approach, Skyhawk 409 Echo Sierra at 4,500, heading 170 with you.
Number 409 Echo Sierra, Palm Beach approach.
So Ribby is our final approach fix.
Maintain VFR.
Maintain VFR.
And our DA is 269.
November 409 Echo Sierra.
6011 Foxtrot, slot 4724.
Public Brock, welcome 314. We got the weather information.
Mike at 314, roger, and you want runway 10 right?
Yeah, one visual, runway 10 right, welcome 314.
Mike at 314, roger, just going to maintain 1,500, Fort Pierce, site.
1,500 and report 4 p.m. side, welcome 314.
6011 Foxtrot, ready to contact 4 miles south of Fort Pierce. Altimeter 3006, and verify you at 2,900. Foxtrot, roger, maintain VFR, traffic 11 o'clock, 5 miles orbiting, altitude in case 2,600.
0 right for the land.
Be sure you have your runway clearly in sight. You caution trades in vicinity of the airport. Cessna runway 5 on initial contact. You have information Foxtrot.
Kilo Foxtrot, Papa Romeo at 4,500 feet. 5 Foxtrot.
8 Alpha Foxtrot, yeah, I see there, short final.
5,000.
And for Quebec Fox is 10 right here for this touch.
0,000 broken. Temperature 28. 2.23.
Remember 5 runway Tango turn right, that taxiway, runway 10 right, active your runway.
AO2, sea level, sector 1. ILF runway 10, left.
7 Alpha, 7 mile final, 10, right.
Runway 10, left. 10, right.
And runway 10 right, clear for the touch and go. I'm going to make right traffic here, number 3 upon and Cherokee turning right
constructed. 3 back on runway, hold short and short.
Right traffic on the go, you want to
Notice to air mission.
7 Alpha Alpha.
Taxiway Mike 1, Mike 2, closed.
November 4 Quebec Fox.
Hazardous weather advisories in effect. Additional information available from in-flight or flight service stations. Bird activity in the vicinity of the airport. All aircraft, use caution for runway 10, left, hold short, bar of fire, abandon taxiway Lima, use caution runway 10, right 28, left, if difficult to see. Be sure you have the runway clearly in sight, use caution trains in vicinity of the airport, Cessna, and advise on initial contact. You have information Foxtrot.
We just have Foxtrot in the altimeter.
Yeah, Fox, where's your type of aircraft?
Hey, give me a second, I just heard him talking to someone else. So it's Pine Approach, Sky Lane. Make sure you say that.
Okay. Palm Beach approach, Skylane November 2690 Alpha has the weather and has Foxtrot.
There you go.
2690 Alpha, roger, Zang. November 9 Sierra Alpha, 5 miles from Jamal, across Jamal at 3,000, clear for the RNAV 14 approach.
Clear for RNAV 14 approach and cross Jamal at 3,000, 90 Alpha.
And approach at shade 51, 5,000, heading 030 Foxtrot.
November 1 Gulf Alpha, is this going to be touch and go or taxi back? 1 Gulf Alpha, roger. And 1 Gulf Alpha, say you're a Skyhawk? November 5 Romeo Tango, number 2, follow the Cherokee short final, runway 10 right, clear to land.
Follow the traffic.
Alright, so we're clear of the approach, so should we activate it? Aha!
That approach, Jet 5000, heading 030, information Foxtrot.
Jet Cherry 51, Palm Beach, approach flight heading 010, center maintain 3000, vector split visual.
And you can click
Jet 51.
DNV. And we can go ahead and break it down to 1500.
November 1 Gulf Alpha, number 2, follow the
1500.
Cessna head on a downwind runway 10 right, clear for the touch and go.
We're holding 3000 up here, visually see it. 1500, we know that's our next approach. One thing you can tell is right here. Also, when we go to our approach plate, and we go to our plane view, right here, after Jamal, we're going to descend all the way down the Ruby, whatever it is, Ruby, and that's 1500, which is on here on the PFD or the MFD, and then that's why it's bugged. So, we have vertical path is alive, we have the approach, that's glide path, is activated. And so when we do cross our Jamal, we're going to go down to 1500, and that's set. If we held 3000 there, it won't descend. And we can start slowing down to our approach speed, right? 2 miles, usually about 3 miles out. I like to slow down to approach speed, 90 knots. I got the airport in sight.
Ready to.
Jet 35 Palm Beach, clearance standby.
Tower 665 Romeo Tango is going around.
November 7 Alpha, roger. November 4 Quebec Foxtrot, turn crossing. 4 Quebec Fox, you're going to be following another Cherokee on the cross, and it'll be off your right-hand side.
Tower 665 Romeo Tango just went around.
Altimeter 3010.
Right.
There 5 Romeo Tango, roger, fly straight out, I'll call your crosswind.
Fly straight out, you call my cross on 665 Romeo Tango.
Jet Cherry 51, descend to maintain 1500, report to field in sight.
1500 will do, Jet Cherry 51.
November 5 Romeo Tango, traffic off your right-hand side on the downwind, you got him in sight.
Traffic the downwind traffic is in sight.
November 5 Romeo Tango, follow the Skyhawk in the downwind.
Following the Skyhawk in the downwind 665 Romeo Tango.
Reduce that power, maintain 100 knots, about 90 knots really.
7 Alpha, I'll call your base.
Remember, we're clear for the approach, but we're not clear to the land.
November 1 Gulf Alpha, follow the Cessna head on the downwind. Correction, the head on the upwind, they're just starting to cross in now.
Approach Jet 851 at the airport in sight.
Jet 851, clear for the visual and clear to land at runway 10 left. Traffic in a pattern for the right-hand side. Cherokees and Cessnas.
Alright, copy, go land 10 left for Jet 851.
November 9 Sierra Alpha, changing my frequency on 19-1, runway 14, clear to land. Traffic on a 5-mile final for a 10 left.
Clear to land 14, and I'll switch over to your frequency 119.1, 90 Alpha.
Jet Share 851, changing my frequency 19-1.
90 Alpha with you.
I'll call your base turn, look for...
You're good. You made the right call, but you're good. He's busy.
About a 4-mile final for the north side.
Have the citation in sight, you'll call base 7 Alpha Alpha.
Nancy Alpha is with you.
I got traffic inside. You're good. 90 Alpha.
I'm inside, sir.
I'm with you.
7 Alpha Alpha, roger, turn base behind the citation, runway 10 right, clear for the touch and go.
Base behind the citation, 10 right, clear, touch and go, 7 Alpha Alpha.
November 11 Fox, radar service terminated, squawk VFR, free change approved.
Slow down. Start adding the flaps. Low 110. Power a little bit less. Reduce the power to approach
November
speed.
734 Quebec Foxtrot, follow the Cherokee on the base, runway 10 right, clear for the touch and go.
Follow the Cherokee on the base for 10 right, clear for touch and go, number 74 Quebec Foxtrot.
And for 4 Quebec Foxtrot, cancel that sequence, continue on the downwind for a resequence, and I'll call your base turn.
Continue on downwind, we'll call my base on number 734 Quebec Foxtrot.
November 5 Romeo Tango, continue on the downwind. I have a 1-4 arrival coming in. You're following the Cessna ahead on the downwind. Same for you, 1 Golf Alpha. Continue following the Cessna on the downwind to be an extended pattern for a 1-4 arrival.
This is 1 Golf Alpha, I understand.
Sorry, guys.
First for Jet 35, Palm Beach ground, runway 10 left. Taxi via Echo, hold short of runway 14. Jet Cherry 851, stay parking.
Jet Cherry 851, going over to signature.
Jet Cherry 851, turn right on Kilo and hold short of taxiway Echo. Look for an outbound Vision jet.
Kilo, hold short Echo, we'll be looking for the jet, Jet Cherry 851.
November 4 Quebec Fox, turn base runway 10 right, clear for the touch and go.
Turning base, 10 right, clear for the touch and go, now with 74 Quebec Foxtrot.
November 5 Romeo Tango, follow the
Test not available.
10 right, clear, touch and go. Romeo Tango, roger, runway 10 right, clear to land, number 2, follow the Cessna. November 1 Golf Alpha, number 4, follow the Cessna head on the downwind runway.
Number 4, Jesus.
Right, cleared, touch and go.
61 Golf Alpha, copy, number 4, following the Cessna ahead of us. Jet Cherry 851, the video just a sec.
Jet Cherry 851, taxi straight ahead to the ramp. You have a good night.
Good night, good job. I was signature on Jet Cherry 851.
Minimums.
That's crazy. That's how low we can get.
November 7 Alpha Alpha, I will call your crosswind.
You call the crosswind, 7 Alpha.
Nose up, nose up, nose up. Hold it, just hold it, hold it. There we go.
November 7 Alpha Alpha, turn crosswind.
Crosswind, 7 Alpha.
Alright, we're gonna get off that.
November 9 Sierra Alpha, and turn right on taxiway Charlie, and you say you're going to stay in the pattern for a bit?
Hey, firm, we'll go right on Charlie, 9 Sierra Alpha.
Whisper Jet 35, cross runway
going down.
14, continue via Fox Lima for 10 left.
What do you think? Keep going straight. We have Charlie right here.
Good.
You see the taxi lines coming up. We're going to make a right turn on that. Follow it to the right. Sir.
We're going to PBI.
Yes, sir.
There's a whole short line.
Yep, let's get across it. Now he might give us... Might give us Foxtrot, cross.
With the contact ground.
W1044, tower.
Wait a minute.
No,